Hey guys, we're going to start with experiment number 3, okay, which is going to show you if air uses more or less space depending on the temperature, okay? So in order to do that, we're going to need a balloon like this one, okay? We're going to need whether a tape, soft measure tape. We're going to need whether the tape or whether string, or any kind of string. This is not a classical one. The white one is a classical one. If you use a string, you're gonna need scissors, and we're gonna need pencil and paper or whatever you wanna use to. Well, it's basically is better a marker because you're gonna use the marker also on the balloon and paper to take notes. Okay, so let's go straight to business. So first of all, we're gonna need air and a motor for the air. That's gonna be me. Okay, so we first of all we need to blow up the balloon. Okay, put air into the balloon. Okay, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do. Okay, let me blow up the balloon. I guess that's a good size. Okay, and now we're gonna tie here the mouth of the balloon. Sometimes I use one finger, sometimes I use two fingers. You have to decide. Okay, put the mouth around your finger, and then try to create a ring, and then try to put the this part of the balloon inside. No, I'm gonna need my two fingers, and then put it inside this ring that we have created. Sorry, I'm not showing you really this, but it's kind of tricky. Then move your fingers out, and then you have pretty much the tie. Okay, so we have our balloon. As I said, we have two options. We can measure, well, excuse me, what we are going to do is to measure the center of the balloon, okay, in order to mark where is the distance from one side of the balloon to the completely round, and then to the starting point. Okay, so in order to do that, we can do it with a string. So that scenario, we get the string, we get it. Well, you have to excuse me because it's just me today. So it's kind of tricky, but don't worry, we can do it. So we're gonna place here, and then we're gonna move it around and around and around and around and around and around, and then we're gonna go here. Okay. When you do it with a string, you see, you do it with a string, you get some scissors. You get some scissors and you cut. So then you have the exact measurement. Okay, you don't need to mark anything or write down anything. But when you do it with the tape, you go to the beginning of tape. This is a soft measure tape. There we go. Yep, we're here. This one has centimeters or inches. We're gonna go with inches. Try to place it like in the center, like for example here. Okay, and do the same thing. Go around and round and round. Try to maintain it in the center. Okay, go round and round and round until you encounter the tape again, like this. So what you do here, in this case, you're gonna mark. So, excuse me. You're gonna mark where is this encounter here. You mark it with the marker, and you write down, in this case is 32 inches, as maybe you can see, is 32, excuse me, yeah, that'll be better, yep, 32 inches. You write down that on your paper, and that'll do. Now what we do, we place this balloon in the bottom part of the refrigerator. I don't remember if I say that before, my excuses, but anyways, it's better to clarify. Okay, so you don't put it in the freezer, no, you put it in the down part, refrigerator, the fridge, okay, usually the bottom part in the whole refrigerator, okay, and wait for more or less 10 minutes, okay, 10 minutes, okay, so I'm gonna put it there, and I'll be back in 10 minutes, okay? Okay, is the magic of the computers. Okay, I'm here again, and here's the balloon after 10 minutes in the fridge. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to confirm if we have more air or less air. Okay, so let me measure with the measure tape. Okay, we're gonna go from here and measure around the balloon. Okay, around the balloon, around the balloon, around the balloon. Okay, round, round, round. Yes, a little bit there, just a little bit, a little bit more. There you go. Okay, and now let's see. You have to excuse me, it's a little tricky. I am alone, so excuse me the improvisation. Okay, so I'm trying to put it in the right place. It's not easy. Okay, I think now we're okay. So according to this, see, we're in the middle. Yes, according to this, is a little bit smaller. A little bit smaller is 31.34. It's not really a big difference. It's almost 32. Remember it was 32? It's almost 32, but it's a little bit smaller. So in this case means that in cold temperature, air is gonna use less space because it's smaller. The balloon is smaller. So I repeat, in a cold temperature, the balloon is gonna use the air. Sorry, is gonna use less space. Okay. For better results, maybe you can leave the balloon for not only 10 minutes, but maybe for 15 minutes and see what happens. Okay. You know, I was struggling a little bit in this experiment. My apologies. I'm sure that you can do it better with assistance of your parents or your older brother, older sister, maybe your granny, etc. Some uncle, some auntie. Okay, and you're gonna do it probably way better than me. Okay, but now you have the idea. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next time.